Credit card sign-up bonus offers are the #1 way to earn an insane amount of points and cash back in a short amount of time. So in this video, we'll be breaking down the highest historical max welcome bonus offers in the credit card world that'll benefit both the beginners and veterans to help you put more points in your pocket throughout the new year. And as always, if you like this type of content and want to see more of it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And with that, let's get right into it. Up first are the still too good to be true pair of Chase credit cards, and those are the Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Both are still offering the 20,000 ultimate reward point offer after spending $500 within the first 3 months of account opening, and 5% back on gas and grocery store spending for the first year with a spending cap of $12,000. If you are thinking about getting either card, I definitely recommend that you do it now, considering that these offers have been around for a bit of time now. So I wouldn't be surprised to see these offers expire shortly. With that being said, securing 5% back on groceries and gas for your first year is an extremely good deal when you consider the other offers that these two cards have had in the past. Back in the day when I personally applied for the Chase Freedom Flex, I got a similar offer but without the 5% back on groceries. Others have gotten offers for the simple 20,000 ultimate reward points after spending $500, and others have gotten a similar offer to what I got but replacing gas with groceries. Never in its existence has the Freedom Flex or the Freedom Unlimited ever offered both the 5% back on gas and groceries, and I can definitely expect them to never have this good of an offer ever again. That being said, the only issue with these two cards is the fact that you do need to be below Chase's 524 status. So if you're someone who is under that, I implore you to get these cards as soon as possible. There's also no card in existence currently that offers 5% back on gas and groceries. Next, for those of you out there that have applied for and gotten the CapitalOne Venture X Premium Travel Credit Card over the past 2 years, it's highly suggested that you also apply for the CapitalOne Saver 1 and complete the CapitalOne Duo. The current welcome bonus offer is a $200 offer after spending $500 within the first 3 months of account opening, and you'll get one of the best earners credit cards on the market today. With 3x back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming service, and grocery stores, 5x back on hotels and car rentals, 10x back on Uber and Uber Eats, and also 8x back on CapitalOne Entertainment. In addition to that, CapitalOne allows you to transfer the cash back that you earn with your Saver 1 credit card into CapitalOne Miles, which unlocks endless possibilities in redemption value. Moving over to airline co-branded credit cards, you might have heard some news come out from American Express and Delta recently, and that's because the Delta Gold, Platinum, Reserve, and their business counterparts have gotten some interesting updates to their inner workings, and with that comes limited time welcome bonus offers. For the Delta SkyMiles Gold Personal Card, there's a limited time welcome bonus offer of 70,000 bonus miles after spending $3,000 within the first 6 months of account opening. In comparison to what this card has offered historically, it's not the best, but still a competitively good offer. For the Delta SkyMiles Gold Business though, the limited time offer of 80,000 miles after spending $6,000 within the first 6 months of account opening is the historical max welcome bonus offer in recent times. Next, for the Delta SkyMiles Platinum Personal Card, the limited time offer of 90,000 miles after spending $4,000 within the first 6 months of account opening is also a historical max offer. For the Delta SkyMiles Platinum Business Card, the limited time offer of 100,000 miles after spending $8,000 within the first 6 months of account opening is also a historical max offer. For the Delta SkyMiles Reserve Personal Card, the limited time offer of 100,000 miles after spending $6,000 within the first 6 months of account opening is not a historical max offer, but still a decent offer. And finally, for the Delta SkyMiles Reserve Business Card, the limited time offer of 110,000 miles after spending $12,000 within the first 6 months of account opening is yet again a historical max offer. Again, like I said earlier, the reason for these limited time offers are because of recent sudden changes to the inner workings of each respective card. Many believe that Delta loyalists are probably the only ones that will benefit from these changes the most, but like always, make sure to do your own research properly and thoroughly before deciding whether or not one of these cards fits well within your current credit card setup. And since we're already on the topic of airline co-branded credit cards, just this week we got news of new welcome bonus offers for the Southwest co-branded credit cards. For the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus, Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier, and the Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority, all 3 personal credit cards have the exact same welcome bonus offer of 30,000 points plus the coveted Southwest Companion Pass that would be good for through February 28th, 2025, after spending $4,000 within the first 3 months of account opening. Please note that just because all 3 personal cards have the same welcome bonus offer doesn't mean that each card is equal as to what they bring to the table. In terms of most worth it value, I'm going to highly recommend that you consider the Priority credit card over the other 2. That's because although the Priority card is the most expensive card out of the bunch with an annual fee of $149 per year, you do get a $75 annual travel credit, which makes the annual fee an effective $74 annual fee, and then you're also given 7,500 Southwest points that are valued at roughly 1.2 cents per point, ultimately making the card a free card with better perks than the other 2 personal credit cards. And since we talked about airline co-branded credit cards, it's only right to mention some hotel co-branded credit cards as well, such as the new welcome bonus offer for the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless. The new welcome bonus offer of 5 free night credits after spending $5,000 within the first 3 months of account opening. These certificates can be used at properties costing up to 50,000 points per night. Other benefits to the Boundless card include a free night award voucher each account anniversary at a level of 35,000 points, but can be topped off, and the card will help you earn an additional 6x back on Marriott Bonvoy properties, 3x on grocery stores, gas stations, and restaurants for up to $6,000 per year, and 2x points on every other purchase. If you want a pretty lucrative way to farm up free night award vouchers every single year, my friend Stan the Credit Frog made a pretty lucrative video recently highlighting just that, so make sure to check out his video after you're done watching this one. Next, both the World of Hyatt personal and business credit cards have gotten newly revamped welcome bonus offers. For the personal version, it's a 2-step welcome bonus offer, with the first step being the 35,000 bonus points after spending $3,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening, and the second step being the potential to earn 30,000 more bonus points by earning 2 bonus points total per dollar spent in the first 6 months of account opening for purchases that would typically earn 1 bonus point for up to $15,000 spent. For the business version, it's also a 2-step welcome bonus offer, but in my opinion a little better, as the first step is 60,000 bonus points after spending $5,000 within the first 3 months of account opening, with an additional 15,000 bonus points after spending $12,000 within the first 6 months of account opening. And last but not least, it's the weird welcome bonus offers for the American Express Gold and American Express Platinum credit cards. If you take a look at the credit card web pages, you'll notice that for both cards, there isn't a guaranteed set amount for their respective offers. For the Gold card, it's an earn up to 90,000 membership reward points, and for the Platinum card, it's an earn up to 150,000 membership reward points, which is actually kind of bizarre to look at considering for the most part, most credit cards have a set welcome bonus offer. If you're not too keen on rolling the dice to see whether or not you get a decent welcome bonus offer, there's always the Resi route that you could go for. Resi, which is owned by American Express, has unique welcome bonus offers typically geared towards dining for the Gold, Platinum, and even the Blue Cash Everyday cards, with the Gold offering a set 75,000 membership reward point welcome bonus offer after spending $6,000 within the first 6 months of account opening, plus a 20% back statement credit on restaurant purchases worldwide in the first 12 months of account opening for up to a total of $250 back, which is $1,250 in restaurant spending to maximize on this part. For the Platinum card, it's a 100,000 membership reward point offer after spending $8,000 on purchases within the first 6 months of account opening, plus an additional 10x back on points on restaurants worldwide for up to $25,000 in eligible spending for the first 6 months of account opening, which if you were able to do would equate to 350,000 membership reward points total. And as always, to wrap up this video, make sure to remember that patience is key when applying for credit cards. Make sure to wait for an elevated welcome bonus offer before applying, and remember that completing welcome bonus offers is and will always be the best way in securing a bunch of points without having to spend a ton of money. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for monthly content like this, and with that, thank you for watching as always. Stay safe out there, everybody. Peace. Those of you out there that are new to the channel, hi, my name is Eric. I generally talk about everything credit card related, but more recently I've been making videos on broader financial topics such as these videos right here. The main goal for this channel is to provide informational and meaningful financial related content that everybody everywhere can enjoy. So again, if you'd like to support that dream, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And with that, thank you for watching as always. Until next time, everybody, stay safe out there. Peace.